What's up mga pards? Another day, another vlog. This is Biyaherong Bong and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video mga pards, it's another hotel vlog. And this time, itutur ko kayo mga pards dito sa pinakabagong hotel dito sa Quezon City. And I think isa din sa pinakabagong Citadines chain of hotels, which is Citadines ROCES Quezon City. And for me mga pards, so far, this is the best Citadines Hotel. And para malaman nyo kung bakit mga pards, tapusin mo ang video na ito. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please subscribe, please like, and of course, share to your friends. By the way mga pards, I also have other Citadines Hotel vlogs, which is yung Citadines Manila Bay and Citadines Salcedo, Makati. So without further ado mga pards, samahan nyo ako i-tour itong Citadines ROCES Quezon City. And for me, the best Citadines Hotel so far in the Philippines. Let's go mga pards!
Uno, dos, tres.
We just checked in here at Citadines ROCES and we're going to our room and this is their lobby. So nice. So sa 8th floor yung lobby nila and also the swimming pool, and we're now going to the room. Our room is at the 14th floor. Yeah, 14th floor. 1401 ba? Here pa. Siyempre mga parts, we'll do a room tour. So mga parts, this is Citadines Hotel in Quezon City or in ROCES. Very new. So what's up mga parts? Welcome to our room tour dito sa Citadines ROCES Quezon City. Let's go mga parts. So upon entry mga parts, ayan, makikita niyo naman malaki yung walkway and meron dito full body mirror. Ayan. And ang maganda din mga parts dito sa Citadines, actually lahat ng Citadines, meron siyang kitchen. So meron dito microwave, meron din silang refillable water, meron silang complimentary na kapeng barako, they also have teas, meron silang water heater, and ang maganda din dito mga parts, meron silang mga utensils. Katulad dito, tanan! So, pag nakalimutan nyo, may kayong mga pagkain nila. Pwede nyo gamitin dito. They even have chopsticks. And dito naman mga parts, meron din silang mga plates, which you can use also. And meron na silang dishwasher. Meron din silang mga parts na refrigerator here. Ano ba to? Lagay naman. Meron silang ref, mga parts na laking ref nila. So parang mini apartment talaga siya. So, very convenient lalo na kung family or kaya businesses. Meron din dito toaster, bread toaster. And mga parts katapat ng kitchen, dito sa side yung washroom. Sobrang ganda ng washroom mga parts kasi ang liwanag. Yan, meron ditong hot body mirror, meron ditong socket for blower. Meron din silang complimentary soap and toiletries, nandyan din. Meron silang mga towels at saka yung toiletries nila dito sa may shower mga mas. Shampoo, body wash, and conditioner. And ang ginis niya mga parts, maganda talaga ito. And mga parts, ito naman yung pinaka main room niya. Actually, para siyang mini apartment talaga kasi may small receiving area dito. Meron yung couch, tapos may table, so pag pwede kayong kumain dito, and pwede rin kayong mag-work. And ang laki yung table, so ang laki yung table, meron yung everything. And nandito, ganda ng kanilang closet mga parts. Meron silang built-in, built-in pero meron silang plancha. And meron din silang sink if you have important items. And then, mga parts, important sa mga doors. Meron silang headroom. At maganda yung headroom. And then, here naman mga parts, ayan yung mga gamit ko. And maganda kasi meron din yung kulay. And then, in this portion mga parts, dito nila na sobrang laki. Nandito din yung study table. So, pwede rin itong working table. Kung tapos yung na body mirror. And ito yung bed nila mga parts. Ang laki. So, I think ano to, king size bed. Halata mo na bago ko sa mga parts. And of course, mga parts, meron dalawang side table dito. Ganda rin yung aming side table. And accent. Eh, mga parts, syempre, ang ating view reveal. Dito sa Citadines, yung room natin mga parts is at the 14th floor, 1401. And ito yung view natin mga parts. Hello QC and hello. Anong kondo nga to?
Viera.
Hello Biyaherong, hi Sir Don. If you're watching, please like. So, lahat ng mga rooms dito mga parts sa Citadines, meron silang view. Kasi nga, yung building na to, wala pang naka-block na mga buildings around Citadines. So, lahat sila ay may view. Okay, so yun muna yung ating room tour mga parts. And yung sa mga nagtatanong kung magkano yung room natin. Actually, nabook ko tong room namin, Standard Deluxe. Sa Agoda for only 4,000 pesos. And it comes also with 2 complimentary breakfast buffet. So tomorrow mga parts, isasama ko kayo sa breakfast buffet para malaman nyo kung ano naman ang pwede nyo expect sa kanilang breakfast. So let's go, bye! So mga parts, ito yung kanilang mga levels of rooms. Function room nila, level 9. Fitness center, level 8 sa lobby. Ito yung reception, yung sa reception, swimming pool. Car park, yung parking nila is at level 2 naman. And the Alejo restaurant is at the ground floor. So, check natin yung parking mga parts para may idea kayo kung ano yung ng parking dito sa Citadines ROCES. So mga parts, ito naman yung parking nila sa level 2 and I think level 7. Level 2 to 7 yung parking nila. So, malaking mga parts, hindi siya masikip. So, yeah. So far, maganda pa rin ang nakita natin dito sa Citadines sa mga parts. Parking, lobby, reception, and the room of course. Good morning mga parts! It's our second day. It's our second day here in Citadines ROCES. And we're now heading to the breakfast buffet, which is located in their restaurant, Alejo restaurant, in the ground floor. So, yeah. Check natin mga parts. What to expect in Citadines ROCES breakfast buffet. Let's go! So mga parts, we're now here in the ground floor. And ayan yung ROCES Street. And this is Alejo. 14-0. Ay, wala pang tao for the breakfast buffet. Pero yun nga mga parts, the room that we purchased, it comes with 2 complimentary breakfast buffet. So let's check mga parts kung ano ang buffet nila. Pero hanap muna tayo ng ating seat and we find a perfect spot here. There. So let's go, buffet tayo. Mga parts, ang ganda ng interior nila. So, here, oh my god, as I wish for the breakfast they have danggit. Pinag-pray ko yan, sana may danggit. They also have beef picadillo and pork asado. Uy, fried chicken, veggie, rice. And of course, breakfast will not be complete without garlic rice or fried rice. They also have egg drop soup. And this is their salad station. The different dressings and suka and egg station. Hi, good morning bro. Uy, natuloy yung wish mo. Pancakes. And on this side, they have desserts. Blueberry and chocolate panna cotta. Nice. And oh my god, I love dragon fruit. Pineapple. They also have breads over here. And I'm just looking for the coffee station, which I think is over there. So yeah, I think I will be satisfied sa breakfast buffet ng Citadines ROCES. So far, so good. Let's eat mga parts! And over here mga parts is their drinks section. So they have orange juice, pineapple juice. I think this is not included in the breakfast buffet. Pero ito yung coffee section. Siyempre, we can't live without breakfast. Or we can have breakfast without coffee. And they have tea. So mga parents, ito ang lobby ng Citadines ROCES. It is so nice, so clean. And so there's the reception. And mga parents, yung design doon is inspired by Apu Wangwood. And also, yung mga coffee here. And also here at the 8th floor, you can find their swimming pool. Wow! So today is a Monday, so kaya wala masyadong guest, but look at their pool. Maganda sana kung may parang infinity dito, but yeah, it's an indoor pool. And there's also a lounge over here where you can stay, chill, relax. And here is the view of Quezon City. So this is the street of ROCES Street, and here at the 8th floor, at the pool deck, you can also see a beautiful skyline of Quezon City. And siguro maganda rin dito at night. Hindi namin na-try. But yeah, ganda ng pool nila. And mga pards, also here at the 8th floor, near the swimming pool is their hotel gym. Oh, ang cute mo. Din pala dito mga place to stay and hang out. And here's the gym. Hi, good morning. Hey, it's you again. And this is their gym. Meron sila dito treadmill, and of course water station. Magaganda yung mga gamit nila mga parts. Stay na sa gym. And it is like that. Like fitness. So, meron sila mga pang cardio here. Machines. Pero today hindi tayo makapag-workout mga parts. Busog na busog tayo. And free weights. So para sa mga parts natin na fitness freak and gym addicts, You'll love it here at Citadines ROCES kasi they have a very good functional gym. And after you work out, you can immediately go and dip sa pool. And mga parts, also here at the 8th floor is their laundry area. So mga parts, since Citadines is an apartment type hotel, yan, so yung mga nakatara dito for a long time, they can wash their clothes here, and yung mga washer dito and dry. Ganda mga parts. And also while waiting for your laundry, there's a place to do your work stuff here. Galing. And sit here. So yeah, super nice. So ayun mga parts, tapos na naman na isang quick hotel vlog natin, and nakita nyo naman sa video na ito mga parts na sobrang okay dito sa Citadines ROCES, Quezon City. For me, it is the best so far Citadines compare sa na-experience ko with Citadines sa Makati, sa Salcedo, and sa Citadines Manila Bay. May kanya-kanya siyang strengths and weaknesses, pero for me mga parts, yung rooms dito sa ROCES Quezon City mga parts is one of the biggest rooms sa mga Citadines na napagstayan ko. And of course, dahil bago lang siya, kaka-open nilang nitong January, sobrang bago pa ng kanilang mga gamit, rooms, and of course the amenities is also complete. So nandito ako sa 8th floor mga parts, so nakita niyo naman they have an indoor pool, yung lobby nandito din, ang linis, and we also have our buffet breakfast sa Alejo restaurant. And so far, nag-enjoy ako mga parts. Sobrang hindi ko in-expect na ganun yung breakfast nila. Compare also to other buffet breakfast sa ibang Citadines sales. And of course, mga parts, yung amenities nila, kompleto din sila. They also have gyms and yung basic needs nyo when you go to isang hotel. And what I also like about Citadines mga parts is apartment type siya. So pwedeng magluto, and they also have utensils that you can use when you stay in their hotels. And the service mga parts, it's also very good and very friendly, accommodating yung staff nila. And also the parking lot is also spacious pala, so hindi kayo matatoxic when you go here kasi madami silang parking spaces. So yun lang mga parts, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking quick hotel vlog. And if you like this video mga parts, and kung gusto nyo pang makita ang aking mga future vlogs, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Road to 2,000 subscribers tayo mga parts. Please like, share, and comment down below if you have questions. Mga parts, I am also active in my social media accounts, Facebook, Instagram, and also in TikTok, also at Biyaherong Bong. So, until my next video mga parts, stay safe and healthy. Bye!